Hello everybody, so today we're going to be going over the trap bar deadlift. This exercise is great for hip extension, working the quads, working the lower back and glutes. Overall, a wonderful total body exercise. Now when setting up your trap bar deadlift, you first want to make sure that your feet are directly in the center of the bar, where you'll then have your toes slightly turned out to the side, and you'll reach down, grab the handles, and then lower your shins forward until your knees are on the outside of your forearms or on the inside of your elbow. Push those knees out against your arms in order to activate the glutes and ensure that your knees are in line with your toes. You're then going to break the bar in order to set your lats into the proper position and ensure that you have a nice neutral spine before you begin the lift. Now, while in proper position, you want to drive into the middle of your foot, where you'll then stand up and extend the hips with force in order to complete the repetition. Ensure that your back stays straight and you control the lift on the descent of the exercise as well. Now this exercise can be done in a multitude of ways. You can have a more upright vertical torso where it's more quad dominant, or you can have your hips a little bit higher with your upper body more parallel to the ground in order to work the lower back and hip extension more. Ensure that you are bracing your core throughout the entire duration of the exercise and you gently lower it back down to the ground with complete control.